For the very best quality work and service, you need Gold Metal Service, specializing in plumbing, heating, cooling, electrical work, and drain cleaning. Gold Metal Service and their friendly, highly skilled technicians have the experience and expertise to provide quality solutions to all of your needs. And because they are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you can rest assured that Gold Metal Service is standing by, ready to help whenever you need them. So call today or visit online for more information.